Hi everyone! This is my first birthday as a mom and a family of 3. My husband planned this staycation for us. So join us in the COI experience. And no, this place doesn't know that I'm filming this.
We arrived right at 3 p.m., which is also their official check-in time. From the moment we arrived, everything felt calm and unhurried.
Welcome to
Okay.
Boy.
Hi, Angel.
Yan si City Arvila. Good afternoon, hi baby. Sweeties. Careful.
Koi.
Welcome to our young villa where you will be staying. Thank you so much. Sweeties. Good afternoon po.
Dun tayo. Let's go.
We were welcomed with a strong matcha drink and a small mochi cake. The matcha drink was really strong, but you can feel it's authentic. As for the mochi cake, it was on the sweeter side. They then toured us around the villa, and we realized this whole space was exclusively ours. The living and dining area was very spacious, and the view was honestly stunning. This was the kind of place where you don't feel the need to do much. You can just sit there, look at the view, and breathe. During the day, we actually felt like we didn't want to leave at all.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
The bedroom itself was simple and just enough. Comfortable for sleeping without being overly spacious. There were 2 single beds, a long sofa, and 2 TVs inside the 50 square meter bedroom. The pillows were very soft. The room was clean and everything felt well maintained. Something I really value as a mom. The bathroom used high-end Toto fixtures, and they even provided a Dyson hairdryer. One detail I really appreciated was the lighting, not just in the bedroom, but even in the bathroom. There were different lighting options, lamps, warm lights, and softer night lights. As parents, this helped so much. We could move around at night without worrying about waking our baby. They also had a humidifier that worked as white noise. Since we forgot to bring our own, this really helped our baby sleep. However, I do want to be honest. There were quite a few mosquitoes. The plunge pool and the view were beautiful. Very peaceful and relaxing. The pool did have some insects, and because of the cold weather, the water was quite cold. They offered us a pool heating service for an additional fee, but we chose not to avail it.
It's now 4:45, and before we have our massage, we're gonna dip in the pool.
Honestly, even without swimming, just being there, looking at the view, already felt worth it. That evening, we had a 90-minute aromatic massage. It was relaxing, calming, and a good way to unwind. As a mom, my body carries a lot, what we call lamig in Tagalog. While the massage didn't completely take away the pain, it helped me slow down and release tension. We also had a private Japanese-inspired teishoku dinner. I haven't been to Japan, so I can't speak for authenticity. But my husband, who has been to Japan quite a few times, really enjoyed the food. And we were very full. We even ordered drinks after dinner. And everything felt quiet, intimate, and unrushed. Moments like these are rare when you're raising a baby, and we truly appreciated that. That night, our baby slept well. The humidifier, the lighting, and the calm environment all helped create a peaceful space. Even going to the bathroom at night felt easy. The lights weren't too bright, so we weren't worried about waking her. The next morning, we had our set breakfast. I chose the salmon, and my husband had the mackerel set. Simple, comforting, and a peaceful way to start the day. So, is this staycation worth around 23,800 pesos? For the privacy, the space, the view, and the quiet, yes, it was worth it. That said, I do feel the space would feel more worth it if shared by more people. The maximum capacity is 4, and the living area feels quite big for just 2 or 3. This place is best for people who are intentionally looking to slow down and rest. But if you want nightlife, a beach view in Batangas, unlimited food options, or 24/7 service, this might not be for you. They also only provide filtered tap water. So if you're sensitive or traveling with a baby, it's best to bring your own drinking water. Personally, I also wish there were more food choices and longer ordering hours. Overall, the experience was really good. More than the place itself, what made this day special was the intention behind it. This was my first birthday as a mom, and it reminded me that rest is not something we earn. It's something we're allowed to receive. If you're in a similar season, balancing family, faith, and everyday life, and you're learning how to rest without guilt, you're welcome here. If this video helped you, consider subscribing or leaving a comment. I'd love to know what rest looks like in your season of life. Thank you for being here.